What is up, guys? It's another morning. So today I'm going to shoot a wedding, and I never do take you when I'm going to work. So today I decided to take you. I'm going to shoot a wedding. It's my ride. My Uber driver. Hey, how they come? Uber driver, what's up?
You don't know where you go put your destiny.
We just got to the location.
This thing is scary.
Continuously for 2 weeks. That's what I did. Sorry, that mommy is in. Bring my food.
So,
But you know,
this is the
it's far
engagement.
from here. So if she can,
Engagement.
you can take
Yes.
it to the place. Back.
Yeah, so we are.
If we add this to your video, I will report you, make the J for YouTube.
So we are done with the bride shoots. We are going to the location to shoot a setup. Yeah, and I think we are lost. We are half lost. Driver, who's it there?
You are not lost. You are lost.
Why be NNN?
I tell you, now because of final cut, the stabilizer.
Yeah. But I do the cropping, unless you use
The cropping.
Am I not getting you?
No.
Hey, this is unfair. Why can't you do a video without me? This is unfair. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so guys, I'm done shooting the bride. Actually done. So we are done with the bride's shoot, reception, venue shoot. We are done with the venue shoot. So right now we are going to the venue again to get the guy coming in with his stuff. To get the guy coming in with the stuff he's supposed to bring to meet his girl. And what else? Yeah, it's gonna be a pretty heavy, pretty rough, busy day for me. Yeah. So these are the presents the guy is supposed to bring. So every tribe has their own custom of stuff they should bring. These are So guys, I'm done with the engagement. Everything was successful, it was good. But the timing is bad, but yeah, I'm still managing. As you can see, look at my stuff. I'm still holding my stuff, but yeah, I've done exclusives of the engagement. So it's left with the white wedding that I'm doing right now. I'm supposed to do next. So the white wedding is what is next, then we are done for the day. What? Yeah, I see the lens. 85. Yeah.
And you suffer with the license.
For the lighting, yeah. Oh, and it's a wrap, guys. We're done. The whole day shoot of wedding, engagement and white wedding in a day. Yeah, man. You done now.